Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tesla Changed My Life. And today I told you so, right? This is the video. This is the theme of today's video. So guys, as you know, if you are in my channel, if you follow me for a long time, I'm a high yield dividend investor. So what I'm doing now, why I'm preaching about SpaceX, right? So SpaceX, guys, is something that is every time in my back, in the back of my mind. I wanna every time invest in SpaceX. I wish I can. I started to invest in Tesla when it was pre-IPO. Pre-IPO means that, guys, is before they become public. Before they become public, we see, for example, I have a small company, right? My small company is private. I own the company, right? But if I want to start to sell a share, I need to go public, right? And before that, to do that, so before that, I do public, where I get the money from all the investor, from all the shareholder, I can raise money because maybe I want to buy a new desk or maybe I want to buy a new computer. So I got with my friend or some people. I say, hey guys, this company is so public, but I give you some share of my company, at this amount of the price. That's usually is very small, in exchange of money, so I can buy my desk, so I don't need to go to the bank or whatever. And so, for example, if I have people that work for me, I say, hey guys, if you work for me, I pay you $50 an hour, $100 an hour. Plus, every month I give you 5% or 0.00% of a share of my company. This is not a private company, but maybe they get a share because, there is like they have a supply of, because they are a good year or whatever, or increase in value. So what they employed with this stock, sometimes they want to sell it. So hedge fund or big company buy part of this share, right? Let me show you. So this is a ARK Invest. Actually, Cathy Wood, guys, is basically the CEO and CIO of ARK Invest. She came out in the investor landscape 10 years ago, I think 5 years ago, when she started to believe in Tesla. Before that, everybody was thinking that Tesla was crazy. They was using laptop battery to power car. People will make fun of them, but ARK invest a lots of money, and this in which way she building her wealth, because Tesla, as you guys know, 10x from that point on. So now she started to invest in all these destructive technology, and one of them is X, and one of them is SpaceX. They invest in Anthropic. Anthropic is a big one. They invest in Epic Game. They invest in OpenAI. This is the ChatGPT, guys. They have Discord as well. Discord is not a private company. It's a public company. Figure AI. This is another big one, guys. Of course, they have XAI Corporation. This is huge, guys. This is not sleep on AI, man. With the new Grok 3, man, and and X Corp. This is the former Twitter. I mean, bro, there's a lots of them that she invests in this venture fund, but these are the big one that I know. So these are all destructive companies that they can 10x at any moment. Look how many she has. So, she has also public, actually. Oh, they are so public. Oh, they invest also in Robinhood, Tesla, Shopify. This is part of this, guys. Oh, I didn't see this. They invest in Palantir. Whoa, Pinterest, Roku. Oh, wow. So all of them are these, basically. Wow. So SpaceX, OpenAI. I'm sorry, somebody is trying to call me. Wow. These are huge. I'm even much money in these things more. So what I'm doing every time that I get the dividend, I extrapolate the dividend. I don't put it back in the pot of my dividend, because I already have in some of these I have like 5,000 share. You can continue to give them money, and the money they give you continue to get much more share, or you diversify, guys. And diversification uh, as I'm not talking about investing on the stock. I'm talking about investing in different sectors. Like, for example, for me, this is destructive. It's something like that. Maybe 1% of my portfolio, 5% of my portfolio, I can show it in this, because maybe there's a chance that just this portfolio will create me $1 million. Or maybe in crypto, I put maybe like 10%, 5%. I still have actually LTCN and BCHG. Is really for me right now, it's all red. But again, 5%. 2%, 1%, I can afford it. It's money that I can afford to lose. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, I told you so. This is the part of my screen, because what happened yesterday, it takes a little time for some reason. I don't know why, but when you open an account, by the way, you need to open a SoFi account, and I have the link below. If you use my link, both of us will get $25. But the link is in the bottom below. This is how you can invest in this. It's only via SoFi. I invest in SoFi too. So it's all come together, man. For some reason in my life is every time like this. Everything come together. It's kind of like a divine design, or a supreme design that just, I was investing in SoFi at one point. They told me, I found out that the only thing that you can invest in this fund is if you have a SoFi account. So I bought it. I put some money in SoFi. Take a little time, but this is what happened, guys. So I put $6. You see this 613. I was like, dude, just let me be cautious. I don't believe in these things. It's just too good to be true. So I put $6. It went through. So I bought like $6. No, the first time you can invest just $500 in this. The first Kauna is $500. So maybe this is not for everybody, but I don't care. I can spare $500. So I put $500. And the first time that I bought like 16 shares. I think each share is $30. Let's see. I put like, and after that I put another 1,500. The average cost is $30. So, bro, I already got in 2 days, because yesterday clear, like 2 days ago clear, because I put another 1,500, right? So I put $6, I put 500, I bought the share. And after that, I said, dude, I kind of like these things. Let me put another 1,500, because I got the dividend from Palantir. Oh no, what was from Tesla, actually. From Tesla, I got some dividend. I say, man, I don't want to invest right now in Tesla. Also, if it's a good thing, because it's really down now. But I say, hey, let me try this dividend. Let me put another seed in another field, because my field is like the field of the ETF. I have the field of the growth stock, like, Tesla, all that stuff. And now I get this that is pre-IPO. So the three kind of big field or big subcategory. One is IL dividend. One is pre-IPO, that is this fund. And now I have a destructive company that is already public, and maybe they will 10x in the next 2-3 years, maybe 5 years. But this, it's kind of like, bro, this some of this company, like, XAI, well, they just grow like weeds. They just grow. It was like 5 billion, and now it's like 44 billion. What is it? ChatGPT, I think they just passed 100 billion. I mean, bro, this company are huge. So what happened in one day? I think in 2 days actually, I made a 27% return on my investment. So for this, I call it ARK VX. I told you so. 27% return on SpaceX. So guys, again, I put in $2,000 at 28 right now, and I got the value right now. What is 3,000? And right now my total is 3,538. Actually, I'm losing $5. But guys, again, this was a quick video, and again, I don't want to rub it in that I say I told you so. But guys, if you every time I see some of my very well-known YouTubers that I admire, they are like successful, but they continue to talk about this line, the Fibonacci and the line. If you get involved in these things with the line, I just want to let you know, man. You continue to follow them. I get you, man. They are very charismatic, all that stuff. But they don't know, man. They don't know. I get a good video on this stuff. Nobody know. I mean, I was one of the first one to show off this fund, and bro, I get the reward, because the early bird get the worm. This is the same thing, guys. if you go early, for example, Tesla, right? Right now, I think it's 350. I'm losing. Actually, I have my things right here. So I'm not BS, you guys, right? Right now, I'm losing $75,000 on my portfolio, right? But look at this, dude. Tesla is still green for me. I'm at 260. Thinking about the guys, for let's say 5 years, 10 years, 1 year. I have still a total gain of 100K. Do I care if I lost $39,000 today? I mean, no loss because I'm not sell it. But look, I bought it at 293. This is why you need to go early inside this share. When you find a wonderful company, and I'm telling you, and of course, this is not financial advice. This is another wonderful company because there's no way for me to invest in ARK in SpaceX except that I have $1 billion and I don't have billions. I can invest like $600 million in a share in a company because that is what is required. You need to become an accredited investor. Means that you need to have lots of money. Means it sounds expensive because it is, but for me, I can spend $2,000 and I just got the total gain of 1,500. I mean, bro, this is a long time. You know, if you choose to go in this stock, be aware, you can sell. You can go out every 4 months because it's when they get together to sell it by share. So I think every 4 months is when you can sell. You need to put your things that you can sell, you know, your request, I guess, that you want to sell it, and they will sell it for you. It's much more like a invest and forget. This is how I use this. But guys, I have so much things to do today. I'm super slammed, but I want to just stop by to say hello to you guys. And I promise you guys, I will show you when I fell and I show you when I do well. And this is not the channel with the 3 line and with the line. And, you know, I'm living in the dorm with another 6 people. I pretend that, you know, I'm a billionaire. I'm not a billionaire. I'm not an expert. I don't know anything about the line and the Fibonacci. But you know what? I know make money. And again, guys, this is what I got. Take it. This is the value that I can bring to you guys. If you like my video, as always, subscribe, you know, smash the like button and click that bell icon so you will be notified every time that I do a new video. As always, guys, use my link for the SOFI. If you choose to invest in this stock, please let me know. Write me an email. I really enjoy an email, a text actually, in my text box below. I love all of you guys. I will see you in the next one. Have a good weekend. As always, be healthy, be wealthy, and most of all, help each other. I love all of you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.